Dill weed. Oh. You really just came all the way here to make that joke?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm in tuxedos.
Hey guys, Annika, welcome to my channel, Annika. So, I haven't done like a sit-down talk-through tutorial. I haven't done a video in a while. But today, I'm gonna be doing a Thanksgiving-inspired makeup tutorial. There's like an old San Pellegrino on my desk and there are like 8 fruit flies. I'm moving it. Okay, now get the fuck away, bitch. Bye! Yeah, so I'm just gonna be doing a Thanksgiving look. I'm pretty sure Thanksgiving is on the 20th. Either on the 22nd or the 23rd, I'm not really sure. I also low-key just woke up, so I look fucking gross, and I also have a pimple. So, let's just hop right into it. I think I'm going to start with my eye makeup, and I'm going to prime. I just got a new one because my other one was running out so bad, and it's so nice to have like a lot. It's a great feeling, I'm not even gonna lie. Honestly, I'm gonna blend it with my finger. I also decided that I'm gonna do Vlogmas this year. I was talking to my friends about it, and I was like, the vlog that I did at school was like fine. Like, it really wasn't that bad. So I might do Vlogmas. I don't know. I feel like it could be fun, and I've always tried, but I've never really gone through with it. Because I'm me. Nice to meet you. I don't go through with things. But school right now is good. My school just started a new term, so I have like all new classes, and they kind of suck. But we're getting through it. Now that my eyelids are primed, I'm not going to set them. I'm just going to go straight into the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. And I'm going to take this dark brown shade right here. We're only going to be using this palette. I wanted to make it like simple but effective. So I'm going to take that on like a flat shader brush. This is the Sigma E55. And I'm just going to pack that onto the center of my lid. And then I'm going to blend it out. That's such a hot, sexy, oh my god, that's so sexy. It's like so pigmented and it's not patchy. Huda did not come to play. She just came to snap. So my classes this term are Spanish 4, which I actually really like. It's kind of my favorite class at the moment because all my classes kind of suck. Then I have transitioned to Algebra 2 because I'm not smart enough to go into actual Algebra 2, and I love that for me. There are like 5 of us in the class, and it's a blast. So I'm kind of like using this brush to buff it out a little bit, but we're also going to be going in the crease with a different color, so don't worry, this is not what it's going to look like at the end. But yeah, so I've transitioned to Algebra 2, and then my last class is STEAM. It's like a coding class, which honestly I thought I was going to hate, but I'm actually kind of good at. I low-key am killing it. Knock on wood, but like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm doing much better than I thought I would. Okay, then I'm gonna be taking this warm orange, and I'm just gonna be putting that into my crease, blending out that dark brown shade that we have. I don't love Thanksgiving. I never really have. Even before I was a vegetarian, I never liked turkey. Like, it's not like the best. It's kind of like, not dry, because like I know it can be like moist, but it's like just the like lines in it, I don't know, it's like not good chicken. And also, I just don't feel comfortable with the fact that like, okay, so I live in New England, right? I live in Massachusetts, and there are like turkeys walking around like on the streets and whatever, and I look at them and I'm like, oh my god, turkeys, like so cute. It's just so sad to think that like on Thanksgiving, like they're like there, and then and also the fact that it just like retains its shape kind of grosses me out. That's like, it's literally the bird without the feathers on your plate. It's like, it's kind of like when people roast pigs and put an apple in their mouth. Like, it's just weird and gross and makes me uncomfortable. I'm going to Rihanna's house, and Rihanna's also a vegetarian, so there are gonna be lots of vegetarian options. Rihanna's mom showed my mom this recipe. It's the spinach lasagna. It's so good. And then like mashed potatoes, obviously, green beans, my shit. I love that. I always have. That's like all I've eaten my whole life because I never liked turkey or stuffing. Did you guys get the James Charles Morphe palette? Because I literally ordered it at 11:01. Like, I'd paid for it and everything. I'm just so excited, honestly. Even though I already have the 35B, I'm just excited because I love James. That's the tea. I don't give a fuck what anybody says. He's annoying, he's extra, but he seems like a good guy. I don't know. He kind of reminds me of myself. So I'm going back in with that first shade that we took, this brown, and I'm just gonna re-intensify. And it's okay if the edges look whack because we're gonna clean that shit up. I need to get another brow wiz. Shit. Mine is like totally empty. I was just like, fuck, what am I gonna do my eyebrows with? Have I done look like this? I probably have. So towards the end, we'll spruce it up with glitter liner maybe, and we'll see. We'll see how it goes. For primer, I'm gonna use the Smashbox Primerizer. I've been using this recently because it's winter-ish, and it's just cold and dry. I sanitized my hands before I did this. Okay, that's like Okay, this is like weird, but I've been like really into hand sanitizer lately. So before makeup, like to clean your hands, it just, it makes me feel so much less gross. I really enjoy it, honestly. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I'm not gonna do foundation. As always, I'm just gonna go in with the Tarte Shape. Oh my god, my hands are too moist. Oh! Ow. Tarte Shape Tape. Bye, bitch. But when I blend it, I'm gonna be able to see her again. That's the thing. Oh my god, there's so much. Just like on my old Shape Tape, I had to like scrape and then barely anything would come off. And like with this, like it's great, honestly. I'm thriving. I'm also thriving because August is coming back for Thanksgiving. I'm so excited. I haven't seen him since August or September. I don't know. My brother, he's been at college. For those of you that didn't know, that aren't up with the tea. When I was younger, I used to say that like I was gonna marry him, and I'm honestly kind of still down. Like I don't actually want to marry my brother, but like he's a good guy, you know. Okay, so when I'm like going over here to go near the eyeshadow, I'm just kind of making it lightly blended. I don't want too much of a harsh line, so yeah, that's the tea with that. Oh. I accidentally just bounced it right over. There we go. I look like a ghost. That's fine. Okay, I'm gonna be using the Pop Beauty Setting 101 Powder Palette. This is just what I've been using recently. I hit pan on it so fast. I don't know why I've been using it. I just feel like it's like kind of full coverage. Like it has good coverage. Just the banana one. I don't know. Peach one is too peach. The translucent one will probably give me flashbacks, so I don't even want to risk it. So I'm just gonna go back and finish up the eyes real fast. I'm just gonna do basically the same thing. I'm gonna take this brush and take the dark brown and run it really close to my lash line, and then I'm gonna buff it out with the whatchamacallit. Okay, do I do glitter liner? Oh wait, I didn't even fucking blend it out yet. Okay, wait. Hi. Hello. This brush is solid. Okay, it's the only clean brush. Okay, so what I wanted to do was like the Midnight Cowboy glitter liner, like a line here and then outline my crease, but I feel like I'm gonna fuck it up / it's gonna look bad, and if I do that, there's no coming back from it. But I feel like I've done this look. Like, and also like you're thinking of something to wear for Thanksgiving, like you need some help, so you search up a tutorial, like you want something that you didn't think of. It's like I feel like I should, but I don't want to risk it, but my instinct is telling me to go for it. I'm gonna fucking do it. You know what? Like, if it fucks up, I'm just gonna scrap this video and start over tomorrow. I don't care. Please, please, please. I'm gonna let that dry. Then I'm gonna decide if I like it, and then I'm gonna see if I want to add on, and then I'm gonna do the other eye. I think I should do it, honestly. Well, fucking send. And she low-key snapped a little bit. Just a little bit. A little bit. My camera's gonna die, so I think I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and figure out what the fuck I'm gonna do with my eyebrows. And then I'm gonna get back to you guys. I love you. I'll see you in a sec. I'm back. I put on the Jade Huda Beauty lashes, the number 13. These are faux mink, so yeah, I really like them. I feel like the look looks good. I feel like the eyeliner worked out. I'm glad that I took the risk. I'm not sure if I hadn't. What about? Okay, so now we have to bronze. So I'm gonna take this Ibby Beauty Highlight and Contour palette and then this Ibby Beauty brush. I'm just gonna bronze the fuck up. Okay, honestly, when I was doing the makeup off camera, I was listening to Finance and Forever and I kind of want to put it back on. Thanks for all the care and love you give. And forget to tell you how I feel. I'm a little high strung. Mama, I adore ya, and I'll do anything for you. Although my brothers make me frantic. Okay, this is a good one. You take the first letter of every word, you move it to the end, and then say your. Don't get confused, just get used to it. Your conversation won't be complete till you give them a big slap on it. Okay, bye. Am I gonna get copyrighted? I'm having a lot of fun. I love videos from Ferb. I can't sign that fast. Ugh. You keep saying that you don't have rhythm, but look at what you're doing right there. With that stamp in a book, you got a real nice look. Seems to me like you got rhythm to spare. Besides, I ain't got rhythm. No, I ain't got rhythm. Okay, this just turned into a playlist video. Okay, cancelled. I'm taking this Note blush, the Luminous Silk Compact Blusher in the shade Desert Rose, because it's like an orangey color. I want it to match our eyeshadow. I put on a lot, but honestly, this isn't a lot of blush. I'm just not used to myself wearing blush. This isn't really that much blush though. I look good. Gotta be confident, ladies. So now I'm gonna take the Rodeo Drive Highlighter. I'm just getting back into this hoe. I put her away for a little bit because I'm almost done with her. I'm asking for a new one for Christmas and hopefully I get it so I don't feel guilty about using this. Ain't got rhythm! I love doing that. Oh my god. Don't forget the inner corner. Come on, kitty girls. Now I'm gonna set my face with setting spray. When I ordered the James Charles palette, I ordered the Morphe setting spray and I'm really excited to try it. I love how they renamed it like the Continuous Mist because like everybody's talking about it. Like, I don't know. I love how they didn't think of that and then like they did it and they were like, oh, okay, yeah. Like me when you write an essay and the teacher's like, I love how you made that comparison. And I'm like, yeah. I made that comparison. So now I think I'm just gonna do lip gloss. I'm not a huge fan of liquid lipstick and it's just gonna come off when you eat anyway, so you might as well just go with lip gloss. So I'm using the Fenty one, the original. I have the diamond one, but I personally like this one more. I don't know. I think the color looks so good on everybody. I don't know. That one kind of like washes me out. It's a little bit too Y2K for me. It's a little bit too like frosty, but for some looks it's good, but just not for this. I feel like this is too warm. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Alright guys, I'm still wearing one shoe from that Ferb Latin song. I should censor that out because I don't want anybody jacking off to my feet. This is the final look, guys. I hope that you all have a beautiful, wonderful, amazing Thanksgiving. I just want you to all know that I'm so fucking grateful for you. I know that I haven't been posting, but I really just want you to know that I love you so much. I think about you guys every single day. There's not a day that goes by that YouTube doesn't cross my mind. And I'm always thinking about how I can do better and how I can improve, but at the same time keeping my grades up in school. Like, I'm doing really well in school. Like, I hope that y'all know that. I'm not just like not doing YouTube and getting like D's in school. Like, I'm doing well in one thing at least, but hopefully I can get to the point where I can do well in both things. So keep our fingers crossed. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to listen to my music on Spotify and Apple Music and SoundCloud. I love you guys so much. Please comment, rate, subscribe, suck my dick, and keep on being grateful.
Tell me that I'm an idiot. You know that you'll be lying. What?